Hey everyone, welcome to this explainer. Okay, quick question for you. Did you know that almost half of the habitable land on Earth is used just for farming? It's huge. I mean, agriculture gives us the food we literally need to survive and the materials for the clothes we wear every day. But there's a catch. The way we farm can sometimes cause some pretty serious ecological problems. So let's dive into why this happens and, more importantly, what we can do to fix it. So here is our roadmap for today. First up, farming, helpful but harmful. Then, problems with land and water. Next, problems with animals and air. After that, solutions for better farming. And finally, what have we learned? All right, let's jump right into section 1, farming, helpful but harmful. Why we need farms and how they can actually hurt nature. Look, we all know agriculture is absolutely crucial. It gives us our food, our clothes, and so many products we rely on every single day. We literally could not survive without it. But sometimes, the ways we grow these things cause some unexpected damage to our planet. It's kind of an oops moment for humanity. Our traditional farming methods can accidentally harm the soil, the water, and the wild animals living nearby. Let's find out exactly how this happens. Moving on to Section 2, problems with land and water. Let's look at how farms change the earth itself. Farming often kicks off with habitat loss. To make room for giant fields, things like forests, wetlands, and grasslands get completely cleared away. This means animals lose their homes, and our biodiversity drops. And it doesn't stop there. Over time, all this intense farming leads to soil degradation. Basically, the soil loses its valuable nutrients, gets weak, and eventually grows way less food. And without strong plant roots to hold all that dirt together, we get soil erosion. Wind and water just wash the rich topsoil away, leaving fields totally dry, and sometimes even causing dangerous floods and landslides. And you know what? These ecological problems flow right into our water too. Chemical fertilizers and bug sprays wash right off farm fields into rivers and lakes, causing some really severe water pollution. This extra junk food makes algae grow way too fast, which sucks the oxygen right out of the water and can actually kill the fish. Plus, farmers can sometimes waste our precious fresh water through over-irrigation. Using too much water leaves the soil totally soaked, and when it dries, it can leave behind harmful salts. Oh, and then there's monoculture. That's when you grow just one single plant across massive fields. It drains the soil's nutrients and makes it super easy for pests and diseases to spread like wildfire. Next up, Section 3, problems with animals and air. Let's see how farming affects wildlife and the sky above us. So when farmers use heavy chemical pesticides to get rid of bad bugs, they often accidentally poison the helpful insects, soil organisms, wild animals, and yep, even people. This heavy pesticide use is a massive problem for our pollinators. Bees and butterflies lose their habitats and just disappear. And since so many of our crops absolutely rely on pollinators to make fruits and seeds, fewer bees literally means less food for us to eat. Ultimately, this kind of intensive farming causes a huge loss in biodiversity. It breaks nature's delicate balance, making the whole ecosystem much weaker. It's not just crops, though. Farm animals and heavy machinery cause some trouble, too. When too many animals eat all the plants in one specific area, it's called overgrazing. The bare soil quickly erodes, and believe it or not, that land can actually turn into a desert over time. Then we have air pollution. Tractors, burning fields, and chemical fertilizers release harmful pollutants in greenhouse gases right into the sky. And finally, livestock waste. Yep, animal poo. Huge amounts of manure can severely pollute the water, release even more warming gases into the air, and even harm human health. But hey, don't worry, we are at Section 4, Solutions for Better Farming. Let's talk about how to actually fix these problems. The really great news here is that we have the tools to fix this right now. Step 1, crop rotation. Instead of growing just one thing year after year, farmers can plant different crops in a sequence to naturally keep the soil healthy. Step 2, add organic matter. Using natural compost and manure boosts the soil's fertility without needing any of those harsh chemicals. And step 3, save water. Farmers can use these amazing smart drip irrigation systems. They give plants exactly the water they need, right at the roots, without wasting any of our precious fresh water. And we can keep this sustainable momentum going. Step 4, reduce pesticides. Farmers can actually use natural pest control, like bringing in helpful bugs to eat the bad ones, completely skipping the harsh chemicals. Step 5, protect nature. We absolutely must save our forests, wetlands, and wildlife habitats so animals keep their homes and our biodiversity stays strong. And finally, step 6, responsible farming. This just means managing livestock waste safely and farming in a way that respects people, animals, and the whole earth. All right, section 5, what have we learned? Let's review our Earth lesson for today. To sum up our whole journey from the problem to the solution, number 1, farming is incredibly important for our survival, but it can accidentally hurt nature. Number 2, bad farming practices really harm our soil, our fresh water, our air, and our wildlife. Number 3, sustainable farming gives us the exact steps we need to fix these issues. And number 4, we really can't protect our planet if we just choose to farm the right way.
Okay, time for a fun little pop quiz to lock in everything we just learned. Ready? Question 1. What blows topsoil away? The answer is wind and water. Question 2. What happens if algae grows way too much in rivers? The answer, fish and other water animals can die. Question 3. Why are bees so important to us? Answer, they help produce our food. Question 4. What is it called when you grow just one single crop? The answer is monoculture. And finally, question 5. How can farmers save water? Answer, by using drip irrigation. Awesome job, you guys.
Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a really big question. You can think about this on your own or use it to spark a great discussion with your class. How can farmers produce enough food for everyone on Earth and still protect nature at the same time? And I will leave you with this final inspiring thought. Sustainable agriculture can feed people today and protect our planet for the future. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep asking those great questions and remember that healthy soil, clean water, and a thriving nature are the real future of our food.